Welcome back to our Shen USA Tito Tattoo Day. We will show you, or my husband show you, how to make broccoli beer cheese soup.
Oh yeah?
How many tablespoons of butter?
3 tables.
Is the batter good?
For what? Just go lift and sit in there. All we're gonna do is crisp up the bacon. It's a topping for this, right? Okay. We'll add those two. We'll mix it.
Dad, I'm entering the yearbook contest, so I'm doing the drawing.
Onions. Carrots.
You improve your the
Celery.
equipment. The equipment. What they call that? The plates. I want more glasses and bowl loaves. Sauteing.
Yeah, something.
Every time you cook, why are you wearing color blue? Chef blue. You're blue, na 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 na. All my video, the one you cook loves you wearing color blue. Mr. Blue. I will make you a channel na. Chef Blue. Chef Blue. Sounds like Chef Blue. Chef Blue. There. Chef Blue.
I'm gonna start.
Making fun of Dad.
I'm gonna shit on our food. This and it's not because it's cream cheese. It sucks to cut. Take
Cubes.
that and we'll go. Boom, boom,
Okay.
boom. Right,
Alright.
that's it. Once the carrots are soft or a crisp tender, we're gonna add
Sweet.
the bell pepper and the broccoli.
Broccoli. 4 cups of broccoli.
Yeah.
The celery is 5.
Quarter cup of red pepper.
Yeah. 5 is
About 5 ribs.
5 ribs. Okay.
This is 29 ounces of chicken broth. All right, this is 32.
Why not you put it off?
Huh?
Why not you put it off?
Because it might make the broth too thin. We don't want that.
Okay.
Okay.
And then
Half
you
a
put
cup
it
is
back.
4 ounces.
And then you put it back, that one.
Okay, there's 4 ounces. 29 ounces.
You throw it.
Oh, it's right there.
You pepper.
Half a teaspoon. Okay.
Okay. Black pepper.
Yeah.
Alright. How about the salt? Alright.
Not yet.
Okay.
Half a cup of water in that flour. And then we don't know how much is in there. We don't want no lumps in. Okay. Well, we'll try our best.
It looks like chop suey.
Eyeball this. Okay.
Okay.
All this is for the flavoring. That's it.
It's only half.
Only half, because this is a 24-ounce can.
All we need is
12 ounces.
okay.
Okay. So that's going to be the flavoring in here. Can you take it? All right, 2 cups. Cheese. Some cheddar cheese.
There's cheese.
Yeah. Shredded cheddar cheese. We'll wait for this to melt. Add the cream cheese. Oh. Go ahead.
I hope wrong. That's why I'm scared.
Oh, you thought the bowl might go in?
Yeah.
Just want all the cheese to melt. Okay.
And then add more.
Another cup of cheese here. Okay.
Alright.
And that's it for that. That's it for all the cheese. Now we just got to wait till it melts.
Okay.
And that's it. And we have broccoli and cheese soup.
Wow! That's it?
That's it. We just got to wait for it all to melt, and then we incorporate it all. And we don't want it to boil,
Okay.
so we just keep it on low heat.
Wow, it looks so yummy.
Kick.
Easy to prepare.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Ta-da!
Okay, alright. Thank you for watching Irish and USA Tito Tattoo. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and see you in your channel.
Everybody shake it, baby.